Ableton Live's Dynamic Tube is a powerful tool for adding analog-style warmth and character to your tracks. It emulates the behavior of real amplifier tubes, offering three distinct models for versatile distortion. Tube A adds bright harmonics when the input exceeds a threshold, Tube B provides a balanced tone, and Tube C delivers consistent grit for raw, edgy sounds. The tone control lets you shape the frequency focus of the distortion, from sparkling highs to warm, rich lows, while the drive knob controls how intensely the signal interacts with the tube. What makes Dynamic Tube unique is its envelope follower, which dynamically modulates the bias control based on the input signal's level. Positive settings increase distortion on louder parts, while negative settings reduce it, highlighting softer details for evolving, expressive effects. Use it to add warmth and presence to vocals, enhance bass lines, punch up drum busses, or bring analog richness to synths. To get the most out of this effect, start subtle and experiment with parallel processing to blend clean and processed signals. Enable high-quality mode for smoother, high-frequency tones. Whether for subtle saturation or aggressive distortion, Dynamic Tube adapts to your creative needs. Comment Ableton below and we'll DM you free tools and resources to take your productions to the next level.